the legendary showdown. Today we're putting the Forces of Nature trio, Tornadus, Thunderous, and Landorus, up against the Galarian Bird Trio of Zapdos, Articuno, and Moltres. We got 2 blister packs, 2 boosters in each one. We got Astral Radiance and Fusion Strike. Let's see if we can pull any big hits out of these two. But before we get to the table, drop a comment. Let me know which one of the 2 trios gets the win. Let's get to it.
All right, fellow trainers, if you haven't already, definitely let me know which one of these 2 packs is going to win. Super excited to open these up. I've had these for a bit now. We have Fusion Strike, which I've opened up a handful of times. You already know I've gotten some amazing hits. Let's see if the streak continues. And I think I've opened up maybe 1 or 2 Astral Radiance, but we'll find out. Let's get these open and let's see which one wins. Tornado and Landorus and Thunderous. Now, forget which generations they're from. I think 6 or 7, I believe. I don't think I played the game. The most recent time I've seen them in the game is Pokemon Arceus, which was pretty fun, and then they were pretty hard to catch. But let's kick it off with them. Let's see if we can get anything good out of these. Fusion Strike. And now Fusion Strike, like I said, has been good to me. Let's check out these promo cards. We have Tornadus. We have Thunderous and Landorus. Code card, Pikachu coin. So now let's see, for those of you that chose the elementals, let's see what these bring. Okay, so I forget that these are packaged different. I don't want to show the code card right away, so I'm just going to pull it off, put it to the side. I'm going to put it to the side. And I'm just going to go right into it because I forget the card trick. I think it's like 1 or 2, 3 to the front, but we're just going to get right into it. We got Shinx, Shelmet, Dribbler, Bunnelby, Halucha, Electrode, I believe is the hit. We got Gliscor, Center Scotch, and Fusion Strike. So I think it's 4 to the front, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. So we'll do the card trick in the next pack. What's that code card? Let's see. Okay, it was a white code card. So yeah, so I'll try not to show the code card. I don't want to show the code card. You got Pansage. These are hard to open without showing the code card. Let's pull the code card to the side. And let's do 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Right? If I'm not mistaken, that should be the right way. We got Lopunny, we got Hariyama, Breloom, Pansage, we got the Kufant, Gligar, Slugma, Skitty, Reverse Electros, and Oricorio. I don't know, y'all. So I guess Oricorio's your hit and Electro. I wouldn't even consider them hits. So pretty much, if you chose the elementals, you're in pretty bad position right now. Let's check out the legendary birds. Let's see, so we got Galarian Moltres. We got the Galarian Zapdos. And I believe I've pulled this Articuno before, if I'm not mistaken. Galarian Articuno. Code card, and get your coin. and our 2 packs. So let's start with Astral Radiance first. Let's see if we can make anything happen. Again, I don't like how they package. Let me know if these are even packaged correctly, because I don't like how the front, and then the code card is like, if it's white, if it's something, I don't know. I don't like it at all. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. We got the energy. Saint Curvo, Kamado, Noctowl, Yanma, Swine Up, Nitkit, Petilil, Bergmite. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, this Hussein Samurai looks pretty cool. That is pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. And Reggie Drago. That's pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie, that's a card. That's pretty cool. I mean, it's not a hit, but let's see if this video will be a bust or not. The Fusion Strike is our last chance, and I think that one, Astral Radiance, it's a black code card, so I guess it doesn't really matter if it's black or white. I mean, that's still a pretty cool card. White code card. Usually when I get the white code cards, it's not good. So just get right to it. Sandslash, Swadloon, Cauliflower, Handpour, Eevee, Shinx, Shelmet, Meowth, I think we got some dud packs. I'm gonna call it an even tie. No hits whatsoever. I mean, this Samurai is pretty cool. So I guess I'll give the edge to the Legendary Trio. That is all for tonight. We'll get lucky another time. If you definitely enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you want to continue the journey on completing sets, hit that subscribe. Until the next one, peace.